I'll show you how to work with the new course editor on Unschooler. So I will create a course on linear algebra for machine learning, and I'll be using our new editor. This editor includes not only an improved UI, but also new content regeneration function. I will not automate this process because I want to demonstrate how to control and work closely with the prompt and content regeneration in the editor. This way, you can tailor your content to meet your expectations. I'll go into the editor now. At the top, we have the content section. The first improvement is that we now have a source tab in the display section, which is closed by default but can be opened if needed. Right now, the source is empty. For each lesson, we generate outlines to avoid repetition and ensure clarity. These outlines help me understand exactly what we need to cover in the lesson. You can also add your own expectations and additional information for the entire content at the module level. For example, I will change the source since the current one is not applicable for me. I'll choose the beginner level and add a simple, informal voice explaining everything in terms of AI and machine learning. I'll include examples and use cases for each formula, explaining deeply how the math is applied in machine learning. I've added a prompt to make it simple, informal, and easy to understand with real use cases. Now I'll generate the content based on this prompt. I've received the content right here in the editor. However, I can skip a video and find one on YouTube related to matrices. Let me show you how it works. I've now added a YouTube video about matrices. I can regenerate the text to match this new video content. Here's how it looks in the editor. The page now includes the videos and math formulas. I will also show you how it looks in the view mode. On the view page, you can explore formulas using the k-tex formatting, which is excellent for rendering math content accurately. Let's return to the editor and generate content inside the lessons. There are 3 buttons: text, find infographic, and find YouTube video. I can also generate lesson descriptions and interactive elements like assignments and quizzes. You can generate several types of content within a lesson. I will first find a relevant video on YouTube and then add a descriptive text to accompany it. For example, I'll generate an assignment using the concept of the factory pattern, and then I'll show how to visualize the results. I can edit the assignment, making bold changes or fixing formatting. If the task is too complicated for my students, I can simplify it. I'll regenerate the assignment to make it more practical with easier steps and an example solution. Here's the simplified version. I can also duplicate lessons or create additional interactive elements, like quizzes with multiple or single select options. I'll now add a quiz to this lesson. This editor allows for easy formatting adjustments, making content more readable. I can add infographics or YouTube videos as needed and save the changes.